I just need you here with me. I've never felt like this, baby.
What up, YouTube? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Sherry. I hope you're doing well today. I hope everything is wonderful in your world. Today is the 4th of July. And unfortunately, my mom is in the hospital, so I will be going to visit her soon. And I don't know if I'm going to be doing anything as far as 4th of July festivities, but it's possible. And I just feel like doing a Yankee Doodle sweetheart kind of celebrate the 4th of July eye look. And yesterday I got an order from my BoxyCharm add-ons, and in this Norvina palette that I got, I noticed it had this beautiful blue, this beautiful red, and a really nice white. And I thought, so that got my creative juices flowing, and so I think I'm just going to do some kind of fancy look. I also got some glitter liners from Amazon, and these are also, well, not red, white, and blue, but red, blue, and silver, and so I wanted to use these in some capacity also. And then my friend Lisa said, "Do you have anything with stars?" And I said, "Yes, I do. I have these little Color Pop stickers that are stars, so maybe I'll put one." I don't know. We'll see what's gonna happen. This is gonna be kind of I need to get this done quick, so I'm not gonna do any talking through it. I will show you what I'm using when I'm using it, but I think I'm gonna have some kind of cut crease. It's gonna have glitter somewhere. We're just gonna roll with it and see how it turns out. But if you'd like to see my 4th of July Yankee Doodle sweetheart look, then please keep watching. Welcome to my face.
But you still don't feel happy.
When you're gonna pick up, call too many times, text back saying sorry I'm drunk, why do I even try? Argue in circles for hours, cause what else can we do? Seems so sweet when it started, but now it's overgrown. I break my back trying to fix this and still end up alone. But I'll keep trying and trying till it splits me in two. 'Cause I don't think we're working out with every sad attempt.
wouldn't say I was flashy, you wouldn't say I was rich, you wouldn't leave here right now with me instead of that fool you came with. You wouldn't start dancing with a complete stranger, you wouldn't happen to have the time. Never mind, we can talk about that later. Tonight, 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 I'm not worried about the price. I feel good on the nights. Tonight, 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 I didn't come here to fight for who's wrong or who's right. I'm just trying to keep things light. Tonight, 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 tonight. I wouldn't call it unnatural, I wouldn't call it polite. You couldn't show me one thing that's all black or all white. I didn't come here to worry, I didn't come here to care. But the light, the look in your eyes is the look in my eyes. Tonight, 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 I'm not worried about the price. I feel good on the night. Tonight, 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 I didn't come here to fight for who's wrong or who's right. I'm just trying to keep things light. Tonight, 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 tonight. Sometimes I feel like looking away. Sometimes I see what I want to see. Sometimes I see how I wish it could be. And I want to scream. Watch the world hurt, this drunken dream, this play on words, this magazine. Come as you are, the light, the light, the night. Tonight, 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 I'm not worried about the price. I feel good on the night. Tonight, 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 I didn't come here to fight for who's wrong or who's right. I'm just trying to keep things light. Tonight, 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 tonight.
Okay, guys, this is what you got. I am gonna go get dressed in my festive wear and do my hair, and I'll be back so that you can see the final look, and I'll do some glamour shots. So I'll be back. I got my red headband, my blue shirt, my blue fingernails. I am so festive that it is not even funny. But I gotta go because my mama needs some grapes and some cheese sticks and some dry shampoo. So I gotta go take care of my mama and see if I can see some of my family and maybe make it to some festivity. But before I do that, I have to do glamour shots in 3, 2, and 1.
Baby, you driving me wild, you driving me so crazy. Got me acting out, got me trying to stay sober. Wanted your love and I'm out here hungover. You made me
me wanna take you to London, Paris. Make some times we'll cherish. No comparing to you. Don't need Keisha, Karen. Don't want Megan, Sharon. Girl, I swear that it ain't fair. It ain't fair that all the pretty girls, they got nothing on you. They got nothing on you. Yeah, all the pretty girls, they got nothing on you. They got nothing on you. Girl, you know you cute. 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 Yeah.
You're a pretty girl, stuck in a pretty bad world. Oh, you got the nerve, wearing that skirt up and grabbing your curves. If you ask me, you got that drip chocolate factory. All of these chicks coming at me, but none of these girls can beat you. Paris, make some times we'll cherish. Baby, they don't care.
Alright guys, that is it for me. I gotta get out of here. I've got people to see, places to go, all the stuff, all the jazz. But thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you had a really happy 4th of July. I, for one, am very thankful for the men and women who fought so bravely for the independence in our country. I, for one, am very thankful for the men and women who have fought and or died for our freedoms. I am very thankful to them, and I'm very thankful to live in this incredible country. Thank you so much for being here today. I appreciate it so much. If you did enjoy this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Don't forget to hit that cute little notification bell so that you won't miss any of my future uploads. Until next time, take care and God bless. Bye guys. Happy 4th. Anymore. This is really pretty. Look at, I got blue liner over the black, and then I got the silver, isn't it? I think I'm going to put the star over here so that it really shows.
Yeah, it'll balance up.
And then I'm stopping because this is enough. This is enough. This is enough.
You can see it now, just start.
Leave it alone. Leave it alone, Sherri. Leave it alone. I say that and I'm like, I need some silver in my... No, I don't. Leave it alone.
No, you don't.
It's fine. Fine, fine. Leave it alone. Okay. Fine. If you say fine like that, you have to go. Fine. Fine. Fine then. You know what I heard when I was in the shower and it's totally in my head? This is how you walk on water, 1 foot in front of the other. Never gonna let you go under, just put 1 foot in front of the other. I'm stepping out on your word. Well, I am slightly impressed with myself. I think it's really pretty.
Oh, I love the stars.
Can you see the blue glitter and the silver glitter?
Oh, yes.
It's pretty.
Let me see your right eye again.
My right eye?
That one, yeah. Close it a second. Oh, God, that's beautiful.
Baby.
And cross your eyes. I love when you do that. Sorry, I'll mute myself.
And I'm thankful for all the people that fought for that to be something that I can't think of what to say. I, for one, am very thankful for the for us to have the. He's flushing the toilet.
Are you done?
Not yet. I'm trying to, but you're coughing and
I got a popcorn hole stuck in my throat. I can't get it up or down.
oh no. Cute little notification bell so that you will be notified of, oh Lord mercy, God, Jesus help me. Don't forget to hit that cute little notification bell so that you will be notified. Don't forget to hit that cute little, don't forget to hit that